If you desire to have a super smooth, flawless glow skin, this is your first step. Welcome to the channel. In the bowl, I'm going to add in some shea butter. So this is 100 gram of shea butter. This is 50 gram of coconut oil. Just have that in. We need to soften up this a bit. I'm just going to microwave this or put it in hot water for 5 minutes. This is it. I'm just going to mix until every other thing dissolves because it is already warm, so it's going to dissolve easily. I'm going to add in a quarter cup of honey into the hot oil mixture. I want everything to be emulsified from the base. I'm just going to pour in my 2 tablespoons of black seed, also 4 teaspoons of turmeric powder. So mix that we don't have clumps. Because of the texture that I want for my scrub, I'm going to keep this in the fridge for 2 hours before I whip it up, but this stage is totally optional. You could actually just go in with your own sugar at this point. This is why you whip your butter, because it gives this hairy lushness feeling. So I added like 10 drops of neroli. Yes, Neroli Essential Oil, or you can use any essential oil of your choice. I blend that in and ensure that it's smooth, and I poured in my brown sugar. You can use white sugar, but I find that it is a bit too rough for my skin, so sometimes if I'm using white sugar, I blend it up a bit in my blender. Well, brown sugar has this softer texture, so it does not really scratch your skin when you're using sugar scrub. So I put 300 grams of brown sugar and just mix that in so that everything is totally incorporated, and this is what you should have. This way there is no separation. A lot of scrub, your oil will be at the top and your butter, your sugar at the base. With this method, your oil stays firm, and when you're using it in the bathroom, it does not scatter everywhere. It's firm up. You can actually rub it on your skin like you're rubbing soap on your skin, and it's easier for you to use as an exfoliator. So I love this method so much because it's no waste. It doesn't waste your scrub anyhow. It's perfect on your skin. You feel like a baby bomb when you use the scrub. So don't forget to subscribe if you love this recipe. Bye.